In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cutscene lag in Honkai Star Rail. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present plenty of options that you can follow along to fix issues attributed to cutscene lag in Honkai Star Rail. First, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that I cannot guarantee that all of these are going to work for mobile, so if you are having this problem on mobile, while you can follow some of the methods in this video, some of the later methods that I'm gonna display might not be able to be used on mobile. So first, the most obvious way to reduce lag not only on cutscenes but any other aspect of the game is to lower the graphics settings. I highly recommend that you do this testing according to your own hardware. My PC is very good, so I can afford to turn everything to very high or ultra. I won't get any meaningful impact on performance, so I will be able to perform well regardless of the situation. However, if your PC is struggling with performance, maybe because you have lower hardware, it is very important that you go ahead and you lower all of these. Now, I cannot name a single specific setting that is affecting cutscene lag. To my knowledge, it is a very weird error that happens with people who even can have higher hardware. So it is very important that you visit the settings page for your own game and you mess with the settings. Try lowering everything using the graphics quality preset and then turn it on little by little, up and up until you find a specific setting that is giving you the most trouble. Keep that setting off, and as long as you control everything else, you will be good to go. So I highly recommend that you switch to very low and you keep bumping everything up slightly until you feel good performance come out of the settings. The last thing that I would recommend on PC is to update any possible graphics drivers. So open the device manager if you are on a Windows PC, and in here you can find the display adapters connected to your PC. If you have integrated graphics, this is going to be the main reason on why you aren't able to render the cutscenes properly, giving you bad performance when playing Honkai Star Rail or during a cutscene. You can right-click on any display adapters that you see here, even Intel integrated graphics or any sort of integrated display adapter that you have to update the drivers. Alternatively, if you have a dedicated GPU, for example mine here, open up a web browser, go to the NVIDIA website or the AMD website and select drivers. In here, you will be able to download the necessary drivers to update your model of GPU, and updating your graphical drivers will make it so you won't encounter any issues when playing Honkai Star Rail or any other game. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cutscene lag in Honkai Star Rail. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.